was just recording my dad do his piano. So it was his first time. So now I want to show it to you. So I hope you enjoy it right now because it's going to be amazing.
Okay, let's play it again.
Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. So on this one here, what they want you to do is 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. All right, so this is the same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's play it again. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2.
And start again.
Wow, wasn't that a fantastic video? I'm glad you enjoy it. I hope you liked our movie, and I hope you will see our movies next. Bye.